Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Sign in to Google Cloud Console with an owner account or project editor permissions. Open the project selector at the top of the page and confirm the active project matches the one you intend to delete. Check IAM to ensure you have the necessary permissions and that no critical service accounts remain. Disable billing by unlinking the billing account to avoid ongoing charges and to allow deletion. Export any data or snapshots you need. Open the project settings page in Google Cloud Console and find the Shutdown Project option. Click Shutdown and read the warning that lists services that will stop and data that will be removed. You must type the project ID exactly as shown to confirm and prevent accidental deletion. After confirming, click the final Shutdown button to begin deletion. The project moves into a 30-day recovery period before permanent removal from your account. If you change your mind, you can recover the project within 30 days from its deletion date. Open the project selector, find the deleted project, and choose Restore to revert the shutdown. If you do not restore the project within 30 days, then Google permanently deletes all resources and data. After deletion, check for residual items like reserved IPs, domain mappings, or container registries that may still incur charges. Verify billing accounts and close any unused billing accounts if necessary.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.